How to repost images and videos on Instagram without any third-party app or a watermark. The only two apps which are required for this must already be in your mobile. One is the Instagram app and the other you would require the Messenger. First you need to go to the Instagram and you need to select the post which you want to repost on your own account. Let's say if I want to post this image on my account, you need to copy the link and then you need to go to the Messenger. Inside the Messenger you need to search for Repost Bot. Select the Repost Bot and now paste this link within the Repost Bot and wait for a while. It will give you a download link. You need to just press the download, and the second thing you need to do is you need to copy the hashtags. Copy those hashtags. Now you go back to your Instagram, select the plus icon, the image, this we have downloaded it, press the next button, select the filters, press next, and then you need to paste the hashtags in the captions. Delete the unnecessary details, and now press the share button, and that's it. This is how you can repost an image along with all the tags on your own Instagram account, and the same method you can use to post any video on your account. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.